free video shows how you can retire in 10 months. Click the link in the description to find out how. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm sharing with you one of the easiest ways to get some free PayPal money. All right, money sent straight to your PayPal, and this money can add up if you do it. And guys, like I talked about this program before, and I'm like, this is like, why aren't more people doing this, right? Because I get comments and emails and stuff like that, and I'm just like, you should just be cleaning up with this opportunity. All right, what I'm talking about is a website called Jungle Paradise Freebies. All right, I'll put a link below. Super easy to get started. Now, all you got to do to start getting money, right, is sign up with Jungle Paradise Freebies, right? Super easy to do, right? Once you sign up, all you have to do is earn one credit to be able to start earning instant $50 commission. Think about that. $50 for every referral that you bring to Jungle Paradise Freebies. So you might be thinking, yeah, that's cool and all, but what's up with earning the credit? What do I got to do to earn the credit? All right. What most people do, right? Because they have a whole bunch of different offers and opportunities on Jungle Paradise, right? And every opportunity that you try, every service or product that you try, like a free trial or opportunity, whatever, you actually earn either a full credit or like a half a credit or whatever. The key is to earn one credit. Now, one popular opportunity on the website is Aspiration Bank Account. All you need to do is open up a free bank account with Aspirations. All right, that's what I did. Once you do that, you automatically get your one credit and you get your affiliate referral link that you can start sending to people. And once they earn a credit, just like you did, instant $50. Now, why people like the Aspirations bank account? Because all you have to do is fund it with $10. That's it. So if you got $10 anywhere, find $10. You're not buying anything because the $10 is still in your account. So you're not spending money. This is free, right? So keep in mind, you don't have to do Aspirations. There's other opportunities that might interest you, and I suggest you look into it. If it's something else you want to try it out. It's all good. But Aspirations is what I did, and the person that hit me to this opportunity, that's what they did, right? And I still actually have my Aspirations account, but it's super easy, guys. It takes under 10 minutes to open up this account. Once you have your one credit after your account is open, now you can start earning $50 over and over again. So how do you refer it? Simple. If you're on YouTube, make some YouTube videos about it. But you might be like, well, I don't do YouTube. I ain't doing all that. All right, talk about it on your social media. And you don't got to be all hypey about it. Just give it to your family, your friends, people that you know, right? Also talk about it on your Facebook. Like, I'm making easy $50, or I just made $50 for opening this account, whatever, right? If you're on Twitter, Instagram, just take a picture of your first commission. Take a picture of, the opportunity and share it with people, right? All you got to do is share it, and you will start getting that $50. Boom. Then you'll see another $50, a notification for, another $50 because somebody signed up and they actually did what you did. And so many people are so worried about, oh, is this real? Is this fake? I mean, I really want to make money, but I want to make easy money. How easier can you get than this, right? A lot of people are like, well, I don't got no money, man. I ain't putting no money into it. Get $10 to open up a bank account. The $10 is still yours. That's all you got to do. And then once you get that affiliate link, it's on you. Just share it with people. Share it, because this is easy money to your PayPal, and you could do it over and over again. So all you got to do is take action. That's it. The link is below. Click on it, sign up, get your one credit, get your affiliate link, and start sharing it. Share it with your family, because this ain't like a network marketing thing where you got to convince people. This is like, yo, I'm getting 50 bucks for referring these people. Check it out. You can do it, open up a free bank account. Boom, boom, boom. Once they do it, 50 bucks. Do it to 4 people you know. That's 100 bucks, right? Keep it going, right? So, guys, free PayPal money. That's how you can get it. That's how you can get a lot of it. Comment below if you got any questions. I'll try to help you out any way I can. Give this video a thumbs up, share it, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.